Okay, sir. You have often clarified about Mekedatu, which remains to be very close to your heart, sir. But you see, the Tamil Nadu government today, it was the first assembly, and they said that they will be exploring a legal option in those cases.
And seeking Prime Minister Modi to stop it.
Demanding to you, saying that you sit and resolve this amicably.
It is not close to my heart. Mekedat is not close to my heart. It is the art of entire South India. Mekedat is a project which helped Tamil Nadu more than Karnataka. Because we are committed to leave 177 point whatever the TMC has been ordered by the Supreme Court and whatever is there, that we are committed to leave. So we have to protect Tamil Nadu farmers. So in order to, it is a balancing reservoir. Not even a single TMC of water, bucket of water can be used for irrigation except Bangalore city drinking water. For Bangalore city, it is very much important because the population is growing very high. We can't bring water from Krishna. It is only the Kaveri source. So when the balancing reservoir is there, we can have this water. That's all. Apart from that, drinking water, there is no benefit.
So Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Mr. Vijay says he will ask Prime Minister Modi to reject Mekedatu.
Will you try to invite Vijay for it?
See, they have an entire Tamil Nadu as a political agenda. Last 40-50 years, they have political agenda. I don't want to intervene with this political. The matter was with the court. The court has already given a direction. You confirm, they have also, whatever the judgment has come, it has come the benefit of both the states. At any cost, it is our bound duty to see that we leave them 177 TMC of water. Last year, more than 400 TMC of water has gone to the sea. Who is responsible? We have not objected them. They are building various dams downstream. But still we have not objected them. We don't want. It is in their land. That is what the discussion happened in the Supreme Court, and they said that they are building in their territory and they will leave you water. That is what the judgment is there. Now, it is our duty. We are not asking for any financial assistance or anything on that issue. Only the power sector will be beneficial. 400 megawatt of power, we can generate power. That is the big benefit for Karnataka. Apart from the drinking water, it is a project to help Tamil Nadu, then Karnataka.